This is TCL 408, and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings. Let me quickly close all the apps that I have. So anyway, launch the settings, enter Google category, then go for manage your Google account button. Open data and privacy page and start the account deletion by tapping at the respective option at the bottom of the page. Now we will need to input the Google account password in order to continue, so let me do exactly that. So once you've done the password check, you will be forwarded to the following delete your Google account page. So in here, finalize the account deletion or removal. Deletion is a word even. And at this point, the parental controls should have already been taken care of. So let's check. Yep, there is no Google account over here and no active parental controls as well. So now I will show how you can recover the Google account you have just deleted, which is a very simple process. Just log into Google Play Store or any other Google app with it or using it. So after you will input the account login, you should see the following message. So after this message, enter the password, and more often than not you will get the following error. That's completely fine. You gotta just re-input your credentials. So as you can see, the system allows us to proceed with the sign-in that pretty much already identifies that the account was recovered or restored and can be used again with no limitations whatsoever. Alrighty, so that will cover about everything. Thanks for watching and bye bye.